right here. Give it up for my man, Mr. Andre Thompson, everybody. Andre Thompson. What's all these children doing here? I'm gonna learn so much. What? Nah, that's bullshit. I know what it is. Where's the parents? You the parent? The professor? Yeah. Oh, okay, so it don't count. That could be nasty. Your parents say that. Checking iPhones is disgusting. Children is nasty as shit. Y'all got Wi-Fi. Y'all don't understand. Birds and the bees conversation? Like when you had the birds and the bees talk, right? You sat down at the dinner table with your family, and they just told you, like, listen, sometimes a man loves a woman, right? And then they go out together, and then in the back of a minivan, they make you. That's how it happens. Nowadays, you can talk about the Tinder version. If you wait too long, I'm gonna go on YouTube on fucking Pornhub and see the birds and the bees doing something completely different from what you would have told me. It'll be 2 bees, 1 bird. It's gonna be nasty shit. Ebony bees. Birds from Germany. It's gonna get disgusting. I gotta talk to your kids early. We got Wi-Fi. We learn quick.